It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and day duh in Poway. This has been a super productive day. I'll show you areas where we have been working. Area number one would be this cutout up here that is seen. There's a long hallway in the house, and this is what you see when you look through the window. So I'm going to do a beautiful tapestry in there. And this is, I think I mentioned the challenges that it is, kind of one-dimensional from the standpoint that it's going to be viewed from down the hall. So it'll be a challenge, but I'm excited to make that look good. And Carrie and Gordon moved a lot of soil, one bucket at a time, a whole bag of soil, one bucket at a time to get my elevation going in there. In addition, they also cleaned out this bed in here. There was that big bougainvillea in here that was such a mess. And we had a broken irrigation pipe, which Greg fixed yesterday. Then with a level and a ruler, they got this pot staged to perfection. So again, from inside the house, you can see this beautiful potted cactus. Now, Avi, I'm going to top dress it. And then I think I'm going to throw a barrel cactus or 3 down inside. This will be a xeriscape area. We'll cut all irrigation because when you do come further into the room, you can see all the way down to the ground. So I want it to look really good, but simple down there. Then here, we took out some Hasper aloes, and I'm going to continue with my barrel theme right through here. I'm not sure. I have no idea what I'm going to do in here right now, but you know, something. It'll be cool, won't it? Yep. We're going to leave that cool euphorbia, obviously, against the house. And then I will deck this out in something really stunning. This area over here is where we will be doing our dry stack with rubble, 6 to 12 inch rubble. And then I'll be planting. But I didn't want to elevate here. With this infinity edge, it's really dramatic, and I don't want to, I don't want to challenge that. So it's just going to be a low profile installation of beautiful plant material here. We brought more plants from home, a bunch of barrel cactus that we actually purchased from a client who didn't want them anymore, if you can believe that, and a bunch of really beautiful aloe hybrids and some crassulas and whatnot to fill in. Then down here, huh? Say what? Oh, the Draco, yes. We got the other 2 bless you. The other 2 Dracos planted. One right here. This is where the mesquite tree came out. And over here, we offloaded a few ton of beautiful boulders. I mean, look at this gorgeous creature. Greg actually rented a reach lift to stage this boulder specifically. So worth every penny. And we got some of our other Napa Canyons, and I don't remember what this rock is called. Yeah, it's really pretty striations in that rock. I'll have to ask Daddy because I don't remember. We haven't used it before. But you can see now the guys are sinking some of these larger statement plants in this garden. We've got our Dazzlerian longissimum. There's a big agave that Omar's working on. We got our little Draco planted. Miguel's beating the shit out of that aloe vera, which we know is okay because it's an aloe vera. And then this cactus is going in. Mel and Kevin are working. Yeah, it looks like lighting, right? Yeah, so work around it. And then earlier today, Hannah excavated that beautiful aloe ferox. Yeah, it was a labor of love from way up in the corner. It was hidden way in the corner of the property. And she got that. We decided to plant it amongst the grasses, the mully grasses. And it looks so good. Super happy with that. So I think that's going to absolutely flourish right there. And yeah, then downstairs here, we got the Draco in yesterday, And today we staged some more boulders. And Kevin got a couple of Portulacaria minimas in. That's one of my favorites for ground cover. And I like the minima better than the variegata because it tends to spread more as a carpet and go less upright. Check out the boulders on this palette. These little guys. These are stunning. Our friends at KRC Rock actually will take large boulders and bust them up for us. And this is what we get. I mean, just absolutely incredibly gorgeous rock. So these guys we will save for really visible locations in the yard, and so they can really be seen and showcased. This is some top dressing rock that we got. It is coyote, I think.
Kind of matches the rubble, doesn't it?
Yeah, they have this over, they had it all along the side of the drive. So I've been toying with options for top dressing in here. And I think I'm going to do something very different from anything I've ever done before. So you are definitely going to want to stay tuned. I'm not trying to be mystical. I just really don't know. But something's brewing in my brain. So we'll all be surprised.
Omar is now officially...
Oh, yes. And Omar is now an official employee, teammate, co-conspirator of Design for Serenity. He volunteered yesterday. We fell in love, so offered him a job. He is going to be such a great asset to this already phenomenal team. Okay, so we're busy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and for sharing the videos, and for your wonderful and supportive comments. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with Day 2 in Poway and your succulent tip of the day. Bye, guys.